Have you ever wondered why your nonstick pan needs to be cooked on low heat? Today, we're diving deep into the reasons behind this requirement. Nonstick pans are coated with a material like Teflon that inhibits heat transfer. This means they take longer to heat up and cool down, so using high heat can damage the coating. The key component of nonstick pans is their polymer coating. Exposing this coating to high temperatures causes it to break down, releasing potentially harmful chemicals into your food. To maximize the lifespan of nonstick pans, keep the heat at low to medium settings. Overheating can lead to flaking and peeling of the coating, which compromises its nonstick property. Avoid preheating an empty pan as it can easily overheat. A light oil layer to prevent dry spots and ensure even cooking, which also helps maintain the coating's integrity. Using proper utensils like silicone or wooden tools can further protect your non-stick pan from scratches and damage. Gentle cleaning methods also preserve the surface effectively. Remember, taking care of your non-stick pan by using low heat and gentle handling can extend its lifespan significantly. It's not just about the convenience, it's also about safety. So, do you have any tips for taking care of your non-stick pans? Share them in the comments below.